All right, today my son and I, we're gonna assemble a Resistance A-Wing fighter from The Last Jedi, Star Wars. This is a model kit.
Yeah.
25 pieces. Comes with batteries and everything.
Okay, this thing is. Oh, the instructions are all, yeah.
Here's the instructions.
I can't read, so yeah, you don't need it.
All right. Get rid of the plastic pieces.
So I found like a pulley thing. Should I just pull it? Should I just pull it?
Yep, that must activate the battery.
So I shouldn't pull it?
Yeah, go ahead and pull it, buddy.
Okay. Yes, I literally did nothing. So I can put it back in.
Oh, you can leave it out.
Yeah, okay. I'll just put it over here.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's a nice sound effect.
I actually think I know this. This is like a drone.
Right there is what it's going to look like once we get it assembled.
Yeah, oh, this is like this is Babbitt. It's Babbitt. Yeah, here's walking. It's Babbitt. The passengers, I'm putting like
That looks like
Babbitt.
that covers the pilots.
Yeah, it covers the pilot. It's a pilot, it sounded like. Also, you said pilot. So this is the other piece. And snap those
Oh, my
together.
finger's green. I was just mowing the lawn. Wash my hands, huh?
Yeah. So you can like put this
It'll be okay.
somehow.
All right, so we've got all our pieces.
Yeah, okay.
Instructions are included.
Yep.
All right, so first pieces, we put the part that covers the cockpit.
Okay, can I put that on? Okay. So yeah. Right here. Oh wait. Like,
Let's take a look.
yeah,
Let me see
like,
it.
like that? No, oh
It
wait.
shows it back here. It clicks in right there.
Oh, clicks in.
There we go.
There we go, okay.
All right, step 2. We take the bottom piece. Not ready for that piece yet.
Okay.
We'll just follow along right here. So we need to find these 2 corner pieces.
Oh. 2 corner. Oh, found both. Wait.
Oh, here's one.
Okay. Corner. Wait, this it? Yeah.
That looks like it. So one on each side.
Wait, I want to put it on. It's like. Oop.
I think it just fits into the groove. It'll be tighter when we put the top piece on, I
Okay.
imagine.
Yeah, probably will. Also, this fall apart when
All
you're
right,
using it.
so now we can put, that's the cockpit.
What, cockpit?
Up where the pilot rides.
Oh. Oh, yeah, because it has a seat. Okay.
Okay.
Now, are we ready to put this piece in?
I don't know. We'll go to the next step. Next step says we need to put 3 of those on.
Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, I found them all already. Oh, wait. That's a random piece. Okay.
Did you find them yet?
Yeah, they're on my hand.
Okay.
Have anything to do with this?
Let's see. Okay. They go through.
Oh, it goes through there. Can I put one
They
in?
go through. Oh. Must
What?
be like the landing gear.
Oh.
Oh yeah, and it goes through. And there's one side that's smaller and one side that's a little bigger. It's hard to see on the video, but you put them in there. That'll be the landing gear.
Okay.
You want to try putting that one in?
Okay, where do I put it? Oh, like,
It goes in those little grooves right there.
with these?
Yep.
Okay. Like,
Nope, other way like this.
oh, like this?
Oh, try it. Nope.
Okay. What?
Here, I'll put this one in, then you can see how it looks. Oh, see how it goes in like that?
Oh, it goes in like this.
Nope. There you go.
Oh, because I popped the other piece off. Ah!
Yeah, that's
Ouch. I can't do it.
That's right.
Let me do it.
Imagine when you put the top on, it'll hold them a little better. Here, get it here, buddy.
Yeah, just like what you said earlier. Yeah, are we going to include this again?
I don't know. We'll just follow right along the
Yeah,
instructions.
this
And
goes on there once that bit is done.
I
Yeah,
bet-
it goes like,
I bet it'll tell
yeah, it
us,
goes like that. See,
Okay.
because the pilot's
You're
there
right.
and it's facing there.
That's the next piece. Go ahead and
Oh yeah.
put that on.
Okay, wait.
Here, let's get it lined up a little better.
Yeah.
Nope, don't force it.
Oh yeah, there we go. Wait, I'm gonna snap that bit. I think. Snap.
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Now it's. Is it sturdy?
Well, I just knocked out a landing gear.
I've got a landing gear.
Gotta
You
have
need to
everything-
have all the landing gear in.
Yeah, everything's got to be lined
Else
up
it
just
won't
right.
land right.
Okay, let's try. and
Wait,
get
is this
that.
like a piece of gun?
There we go.
Yeah. This, there we go. I had to get on the seat a little better.
There we go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's looking pretty cool.
Oh, and there's even lights.
Okay.
That's that before.
So
Okay.
now you can put the pilot in.
Wait. Pilot. Oh yeah, right here.
And place the pilot in there. He's got a little notch on the back of him that fits.
Oh,
The little notch fits right into the back
Yeah.
of the seat there.
there's booty. What?
Probably put his feet in first.
Oh yeah.
Kind of at an angle. There we go.
Yeah. And
Okay.
I can close
Now
that up.
well, no. We're going to put in the front portion of the windshield.
Okay. I'm just going to just like plops in or snaps. Oh, isn't it this little
Let
bit
me.
control?
There we go.
Yeah, now we can close it.
All right. So now we need to assemble these pieces.
Like these two big pieces.
Let's see here.
Oh yeah. Have to. Yeah, and one of those were the. Okay, one of these. Oh wait, one of these right here, I think. Wait, no, right here.
Let's see.
I know how to do this. Oh, yeah, I have to put this other piece in before it falls out. Come on.
There's the
Ah,
top
oh.
piece.
Oh. Oh.
Here. I think you have one that goes on this side.
Oh yeah.
That go?
Oh.
Okay.
Hey, yeah.
So it's showing the little bumps on the piece on the bottom.
Okay, so it
Then
goes
we
like
put
this.
in the clear piece.
Yeah, it goes.
And then we have the portion that has where the little bumps fit in. Okay.
Okay, wait.
So one's assembled here.
Yeah, I can't do that.
Okay.
You can like assemble
So
it and drop it in.
I always like to hold it right up to the picture. Hold that. Then we put in the clear piece. Then,
Oh.
oh yeah,
Oh yeah,
line
little
up those
notches.
with the little notches. There we go. Okay, so now we need to assemble this bigger piece.
What is a pop in there? Yeah, yeah, it says at the end. Just
So
pop in
there we
at the
go.
end.
One of these
Oh.
fits in there.
Okay, wait. where? Okay, I take one of these.
See, there's two little notches, and then those fit in there. Then one of
Right.
these fits right here.
Like that, or oh wait, wait a sec.
And then the top piece
What?
just lines up with everything. Yep, we'll get yours.
Okay, wait a second. I need to look at it.
Yep.
And grab this. Wait, no.
Alright. That one.
Okay.
Okay,
wait.
we'll try yours now.
No.
So hold this just like in the picture. Right there.
Right.
And so this is the top piece. Nope.
How,
Just like in
just
the
remember
picture.
how you did yours.
And that fits into there.
Oh, wait, yeah. Okay,
Okay.
and I'll put the other one.
Now you put this piece in the front.
Yes. But there's two little notches.
Alright, here, I'll hold it. Okay, and so there's a little half moon that indicates the piece that goes on the bottom. So put that in.
Yeah, there's a little half.
You see how it shows a little half moon portion right there? And then we put that.
Okay, I want to put these in.
Okay, we'll get this clicked together here.
I want to put these in.
Sure, let me just get this
So yeah,
assembled.
where do I? Look, where are these?
It's probably on the next page, buddy. We'll get this finished and then we'll go on to the next page.
I guess I think the other page will have like the other one going in, and yeah. These are the like. Are these
Got
parts
that
is like shooting part, right?
One of them has.
Oh, one of them. But they're both the
Oh.
same.
Okay. So I had the wrong piece on because one of those has a groove and the other one, so they're for each side.
One has a blue side and one doesn't have
No.
a blue side.
Oh.
I actually saw that.
Just gonna fit that in there.
They're like tiny little guns. Pew, 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 pew. Let's keep these
Let's
like
try
that.
that again.
wet and so I can actually see them. So yes.
That just. Gotta be lined up just
gonna drop this
perfect, and
one.
it still
There's
isn't quite clicking
absolutely
together.
nothing behind there. I'm guessing, yeah. So,
Just double check and make sure everything is in there correctly.
you can definitely see that you put that in there because, yeah, they just put it in both like that. Why did I think? Nope. I like to. No, yeah. Wait, where's that little thing there? Wait. I think it was. That didn't fit. Yeah, see how it goes in there. But why is that little hole there?
I bet that's where something fits in. As soon
Yeah,
as
probably
I-
like this, maybe?
Once we get it assembled.
Yeah, because those pieces go there. So yeah, shorter one goes, yeah, it slides right on.
Okay.
Yeah, it slides right on, but I can't like.
So one of these goes on this side.
But yeah, I already put one on, but you dragged it off. Yeah, it's not very stabilized.
Let's see, how do you tell which one goes on which side?
Yeah. Okay, there was a little sound there. Oh yeah, you can't see that, but we can. I know. Oh, yeah. Oh, thing.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
So it's showing one for one side and one for the other.
Ooh.
So the one on this side is the piece.
Is that piece? Yeah, but where is this? Yeah, that is part of the landing piece. It's right there. Oh yeah, my thing is. I just need to look at it.
Just look at it and see if we got it lined up.
Pew 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 pew. These are like little guns, aren't they?
They are. I think we got these assembled.
Oh yeah, these are actually. Oh yeah, that's the half moon.
Okay.
Wait, these actually.
So the one that goes on this side,
Wait.
we want
Yeah, I'm
the
pretty
top
sure
piece
these actually go in like.
with
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
the double notch on the top,
Um,
the bottom
these look like
piece.
they go in on the list. Oh wait, no. Oh yeah, these do go in there. I fucking can't even get them in. I'm trying to put W in. Wait, I think I just put a piece in. Yeah, I put a piece in. So yeah, now, oh geez, I almost fell off. That'd be a
Okay.
lot of pain. That's probably just something that happened a lot.
There we go.
Yes. Oh, yes. There we go. You didn't see that, but I did. Yeah, because the camera isn't like zoomed out too much, or else yeah, you would see too much. Pew 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 pew. Okay, so these
then
actually do go inside.
They do go on this side. So.
Yeah, W.
Huh.
I already put one on, see? I'm showing you. Pew, pew, pew. Ow, I stabbed myself in the neck with this. Shouldn't hold it. Okay. I chew the bottom of this or something. No, I don't want to chew the landing gear. This you can kind of see it right there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay.
All right, man.
Oh, hi. I don't know this. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I remember that. Little arrow pulling me to pull it out. Pulling me? Telling me to pull it out because the arrow is just like stuck into a battery place. And yeah. If you remember that, I told you it for nothing. Just point at something. Kind of like that, kind of, that, kind of, like, okay, I don't know why my finger's so close to it. I'm kind of pointing at you.
You do, yeah.
Wait,
Oh, it just doesn't fit together quite.
oh yeah, it has to be buildable. That kind of hurt my eyes. Just looked into a light. Yeah, I wonder. Oh wait, that's like a bit for a wing, I I feel like it is. Wait, is there a wing there? Can you like check?
Just a second. I'm
Yeah, I think.
just trying to figure out why that's not fitting in there exactly.
Oh, there's a lot of pages. Look, in the bottom, a lot of pages. Oh wait, no,
There
it's
are a
just
lot of
pages.
pages, aren't there?
I think there's only like 6. Yeah, there's only 6 pages. I thought the number on the side was like the page, like that little thingamabob. Wait, yeah, that little thingamabob.
Okay, I think I figured it out. One side both has 2 notches that fit onto that. There we go. And the other side have that single notch.
Wait, this point up. This. No, this. Point up.
And then it lines up better.
Alright, there we go. Pointing at something, but yeah, it's off camera. It kind of sounds like well, it is plastic. I was just gonna say it sounds like plastic. Okay.
There we go.
Just move that little thing away.
It was kind of hard to
That was
see
a
in the
shot.
instructions. This side it shows a little bit better. One side both has double notches and one has a single notch. That indicates what side
Oh yeah, I
goes in
see
there,
that.
so it'll fit into the groove.
Groove.
All right.
And now I'm gonna put this piece in.
Yep, now you can
Yeah.
put that piece on, bud.
Oh yeah, there is not wings. Yep. Wait, no, it's the other way. Oh,
There it is.
wait, is that just supposed to be all the way in? Yeah.
Yep.
Yep. Yep, it is.
I
It's
bet they're
not.
supposed to go on the other side.
Oh yeah.
Just looks better. That's the top of it. And there we go. Fully
Yeah.
assembled.
Yep. There's a little landing gear right there.
The landing gear.
Yeah.
Pretty cool
Yeah.
hatch for the pilot to get out.
Oh yeah, you can actually like, yeah. Yeah.
It's got a couple different sounds.
So
There
wait.
we have it. The Resistance A-Wing fighter assembled.
Oh yeah, I see the button now. I see the switch.
Just had to follow the instructions a little closer and we would have figured that out. But that's pretty cool.
Yeah. So yeah.